Sir, my name is Nehal Vaishnav and I am the group member of group number 6. This is the name of our project Rabbit. Now let me walk you through the project and all the other team members. Meet our team. The name of our company is ANS Tech Solution. ANS itself suggests the initials of the three of the group members. I am the team leader. I believe that I can very well lead the team and I am very good at communicating with everyone, and I can easily manage the whole team. Like I can lead it very well. Also, I will be the one responsible for setting all the meeting agendas and like setting all the timelines and for all the processes, the required processes. Anuj Rathod is the data analyst, as he is very good with the analysis and he has done quite few analysis earlier. So yeah, he is very good at it. Siddharth Trivedi is the software developer. He has hands-on experience in developing the software and applications. So there is my core responsibility is to make whole team work and build a successful application. So let me introduce you to the main project. The name of the company is Grabit. It sells the products which are generally returned, refurbished, and some of the packagings which are damaged, that have came from Amazon, Walmart, and all other outlets. It has many outlets in all over Canada, but people cannot reach everywhere. So, and also they sell it in cheaper rates over the week. They sell products like clothing, electronics, and crockeries, home decor, everything, like every useful thing they sell in the cheaper rates. But the client wants a platform where he can sell his products online. Also, I believe that people prefer online shopping more rather than in-store shopping, as they don't need to go to the shop or malls to buy things. They can just sit and relax at their home, grabbing their phone in hand, and like they can do all the shopping. So yeah, this is one of the easiest way to shop. Also, they want a user friendly interface, attractive branding and marketing, and secure checkout process. So these are some of the key factors to build an application, and I believe that together as a team we will give them what they desire. Yeah, the projecting. Our main aim is to give client the e-commerce platform where they can sell their products, they can increase their revenue, as they are not able to make it from in-store selling. So this would be very grateful, and they also want to improve their model efficiently using data insights. So the data insights part would be more covered by Anuj, as he will be working on analysis. I will be working on him with this, but more of the part will be done by him. Now, objectives. The objective of this application is to increase sales and revenue, as I said earlier. Obviously, people believe in making profit, and as a team, as a whole group, we will give them a platform where they can sell their products and increase their revenue by selling their products. And this is our main goal, to fulfill our clients need, so that they can drive sales and generate revenue for the business. And this would be an amazing opportunity for us as well to build the application for them. So yeah, the rest of the slides will be explained by Anuj. Thank you.
Hello, Professor. So I'm Anuj Rathod, and I'll be explaining the for the slides. So as Nihal told, I am the data analyst of this group number 6, and I'll be explaining the in scope and out scope of this project. So basically the scopes mean that what relies in our responsibility and what not. So in this project, the main products of the company and the checkout process, payment, this thing will rely on us. So to be precise, the products and the categories like in the dashboard and the applications, that is one of the most important aspect for the customer to shop in. And another one is the checkout and payment process, because it has to be trustworthy and secure payment method, so the customer can trust the company and the company can also make a fruitful relationship with their customers. So these are the in scopes that we will provide. Also the order management and customer services, because if the application has bugs or it has any technical issue, then we have to resolve it and we will be doing it. So that's one of the aspect that we'll be covering in. But the outscopes are also there, in which it has the product quality, because that totally depends on the company, their packaging system, their shipment, the delivery process, the weather conditions that affects the delivery time, the delays, so that all the issues won't be reliable on us, that will be on the company. So that are the outscopes of this project. Further, the outcomes and benefits of this project will be immense, because as we'll be implying a application for like of an e-commerce application, so there will be a boost of sales. Obviously we approximately had a rough estimate that there will be 25% of sales in the company's total revenue, which is a lot. And nowadays people like to shop online, and whenever they can't have access to the store, they can make online purchase, which is very easy to use and it is very convenient for everyone. So it can also increase the engagement, it can attract more customers, it can increase the sales, it has all the different benefits. And there can be different outcomes too, because it will help in inventory management, because as the customers buy more, the inventory will be available more, they can also increase their inventory, there will be more data to extract and do the insights. So it will be a great opportunity for us as well as the company to grow together. This is the business process visualization of our project. It is pretty simple to understand, because there will be an application and from the customer, and they need to log in and sign up by giving their account details, the personal details, contact information, and etc. And after that, the application, when the application starts, the customer will be able to see the dashboard, and there will be different categories and products. So there will be an easy way to search the products and also add the items to the cart, and there will be a smooth checkout process. So the application is pretty easy to use, as well as for the company as well as for the customer. And at the end, there will be the delivery process, which consists of packaging, shipment, and product delivery, which totally depends on the nearest like postal area of the company. But this will be one of the most important aspect for the customer to rely on and trust on. So this is how the application will work, and this is how the visualization will look like. Further, the main thing of this project, the data analysis thing, which I am working on as a data analyst, I really like the analysis part, because I can play with numbers and the data. So it is visually appealing as well as a challenging task. So mostly the analysis we are going to perform in Power BI to carry out all the we can make different graphs, pie charts, and different visualizations to process that what the customer is trying to look in the application, the particular things such as the product categories, what is the most searched item, what is the most browsed category, what items were added but not purchased, what advertisement got the customer attracted towards buying it. Such insights can help the company to grow, and also we can make different strategies afterwards, but that will be done after the application is built. So for now, Nehal will be doing the communication thing and the planning thing, and Siddharth will work on development. I will also help him with the development phase, and I'll also simultaneously work with the analysis. So this all depends on the teamwork as we are going to do. But this will be one of the most important thing to provide better data insights and business insights to work on the strategies and do a better marketing and everything. and from now on Siddharth will take over. Thank you so much.
Hello, Professor. My name is Siddharth Trivedi, and I'm going to continue the further presentation of this PPT. This is the execution plan which are going to build the application. We are going to use the Python programming language for building the structure and the algorithm for the application, because you know the Python is a high level general programming language, and it is very easy to use, and also Python has a very vast library function equipments. So yeah, and we will going to use the Django framework for designing our application, and making more user friendly to the customers, and making more beautiful. And we are going to use the MySQL technologies to store the data and generate to display the data and store the data. Also the excuse me also the whatever the data is going to be generated from the application, we are going to store the data in MySQL. For better hosting of our application on reliable server, we will going to use AWS, because as we know, Amazon Web Services are topmost server services right now in the market. So yeah, and so here are the ethics of our company. We believe in confidentiality. We do not disclose any kind of client information to any other person except our team members, and we also signed a non-disclosure agreement to the all team members, and which will be followed by all the team members. So okay. And honesty, we will not copy any kind of data, or we will be more transparent to the client, and also the data will not going to be used in any further things in future after building the application and during the building of application. And we believe in quality of holistic strategies, like we are going to build the application with strategies, so we can maximize our skills to optimize the products, and the way more define the application beautifully, so the users are very convenient to use that, and client also. And as per analysis, we will doing the analysis very solely from the basis of observation, like which kind of things and conclusions are going to more in data and decision making analysis, so we can more engagement throughout through the analysis. Yeah, then implementation plan. Next is a implementation plan. So in that implementation plan, the first phase is preparation phase, where me and Nehal going to responsible for the phase. It starts with the second from the 2nd of February, the project charter, which will be going to be prepared by Nehal and the other team members. And after that, we will going to gather the requirements from the client. What should we how should the application will look like, and what kind of functions are there in the applications. So, and it is going to be completed around mid of the February month, and then we will start to design the application in the start of March, first second week in the around, and we are going to design this application, and Anuj Rathod will be there with me in that development phase. And after developing the application, we are going to testing the application, like all the test cases which are going to perform in this testing phase. There are like in this is going to be done after in the end of the March month. After that, we are preparing to the reporting phase, and where their whole team comes into the work. And after that, in the middle of the April month, we are going to present our application to the client, and we are seeking the closing the project in the mid of the March month, with the close out all the formalities and all the deliverables with the client and me. So thank you. so much. This is the end of the project, and this is our